Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you are logged into an admin account and know your current macOS login password because Keychain ties to it. Once done, open Finder, go to Applications, then Utilities, and launch Keychain Access. This is where passwords live. Select the Login Keychain in the left column so you operate on the correct set. You're already taking action. The app shows items and a top menu to change settings, so proceed to the change steps next. Now change the actual password. In Keychain Access, choose Edit and then Change Password for Keychain, Login. You will be prompted to enter the old password, then the new one twice. Type carefully so characters and capitalization match. This updates the encryption that protects all stored credentials. If macOS prompts that it cannot unlock items, you may be offered to update saved passwords or create a new keychain. Pick updating when possible to preserve access to saved accounts and Wi-Fi entries. Finish by locking and unlocking the keychain or simply restarting your Mac to ensure it opens with the new password. Make sure apps and Wi-Fi reconnect. If some items still say incorrect password, then use Keychain First Aid or create a new keychain and manually migrate items. One key troubleshooting tip: if you can't recover access, create a new login keychain and reset stored passwords. This resolves corruption but requires re-entering credentials. Finally, save the new password in a secure vault so you won't lose access again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.